FRISS is committed to honest insurance. We strive to provide evidence that our predictions are systematically correct and fair. Amongst experts, there is zero doubt that soon artificial intelligence will be part of everyone's daily life. Fully autonomous, self-driving cars will be occupying our roads. Instead of humans behind the wheel, there are powerful AI-driven machines making sense of the complex, ever-changing world, allowing us to drive even safer than today by making split-second decisions we bet our lives on. Such AI innovations are trickling down to other areas as well. Many of us are already interacting with such machines in the form of smart assistants, like Apple's Siri, Google's Duplex, or Amazon's Alexa. The interaction we have with such machines will become indistinguishable from human interactions. This means we must be able to trust their decisions. Having trust in a machine is easy if you can see that its predictions are correct. For instance, we can directly observe that a self-driving car is turning nicely and is braking in time. And there is always the possibility to overrule its decisions in more challenging conditions. When a complex system is predicting the weather, we can see that usually it is correct. And even when it isn't, often the worst thing that can happen is you getting wet. Trust is much more difficult when you cannot directly observe the predictions. For instance, when automatically not accepting a policy application based on an AI-driven model. Note that in such cases, it's much harder to judge whether your decision is correct or even justified. Furthermore, it is vital when your AI-driven decisions are affecting people's life, like in automated eligibility systems for food stamps or healthcare benefits. In such cases, you must be able to justify your decisions. As models become better and data becomes bigger, the algorithms behind them becomes more and more complex, like in deep neural networks, which can consist of hundreds of hidden layers and thousands of nodes. The price we pay for this complexity is the lack of interpretability, the answer to why we make certain decisions. AI-driven machines are very good in picking up trends in the data and in using this information to make predictions. If collected properly, data reflects society. Every society has its own challenges and fundamental flaws, which are hidden in the data. If not careful, AI machines will encode these potential poisonous prejudices. And this can lead, for example, to the phenomenon of redlining, which consists of a systematic denial of healthcare benefits and other financial services to people living in specific areas, which are often associated with ethnic minorities or a particular race. FRISS is committed to honest insurance. We strive to provide evidence that our predictions are systematically correct and fair. We achieve this by fusing cutting-edge machine learning models together with models interpretation and explanations techniques, such as line or global surrogate models. We believe that honest AI means transparent AI, where you can see what data is used in each predictions, and you can quickly correct it if you believe you are making predictions in an unfair way. Humanity history is a story of automation. But trust should not be automated. Trust is gained through honesty and fairness. And if you don't understand the process, how do you know you're fair and honest?